Well, welcome to Vintage and Antiques on YouTube, and another video about this lovely antique bone china in this really gorgeous maroon red with the hand decoration applied in this gilt detailing. The blocks, every single one is unique and individual, hand decorated, no transfer printing used on these pieces at all. No manufacturers or makers marks. This, to be fair, is probably what was called a slop spill, which was used for decanting any tea leaves out of the teacups at the tea table before refilling with fresh brewed tea. And we think that's the case because the sugar bowl was actually a lidded sugar box in this set. It's not being listed because it was really badly damaged, unfortunately, nasty crack right the way through it. But this came with the set, and it's a bit too big really for a sugar bowl or open basin. And the age of this set really suggests it would have had a sugar box, and this would have been the slops bowl. What do you use it for in this day and age? Well, all sorts of things. Serving bowl, nibbles, crisps, biscuits, anything you want to take to a table in a decorative piece of porcelain, really. It can be used as a slops bowl if you've got tea leaves on the table, but mostly now people are using very fine strainers, so it's not such an issue as it used to be when there was the only strainer was the little sieve design in the base of the spout in the teapot. It's beautifully clean, lovely bit of bone china, glaze, very clean inside, just a few little inclusions again that suggest this is probably mid-Victorian as opposed to a later piece where the firing's got much cleaner. But the decorating is what really makes this stand out. Absolutely beautiful piece in really fine condition and a rare piece of English history and bone china. Beautifully decorated. Thanks for watching.